Hey, I'm Scott, and welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to give you another idea to help you build more confidence with your short putts. And what I call this drill is just a coin drill. Basically what I used to do is when I go to a practice green, I would line up 5 coins starting at 1 foot and going from 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 feet. And then I would make 10 putts from each coin, and after the 10th putt I'd pick up that coin, put it up in my pocket, and then move on to the next one. And I couldn't move on to the next one until I made 10 in a row from each spot. So the idea is that you just bang these putts pretty quickly. You're just automatically building a stroke that you can develop some confidence with out on the golf course, and you're progressing with that stroke through the different distances, and I think it really helps you build that consistency you need to make more short putts when you're out on the golf course. Now the key to this is that you find yourself a straight putt out on the practice green. So you don't want to work with any putts that have a little bit of break to them at all. So, or you can obviously do this with an indoor putting mat like I've got here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run through this real quick, try and make 3 in a row at each spot, and see how far I can get today. Okay, we're going to get to 2 feet. Now to 3. A little bit further back. And then we're going to go back here and see how many I can make in a row from back here. I got about 5 feet now, maybe a little longer. Well, I got to 2. So what I would do then, is I would start over at that distance, and I would not stop until I make at least 10 in a row. And that allowed me to build up a good amount of confidence with my short putting over time, and I think it'll help you as well. So if you like this little tip, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, check out scottcolegolf.com. Consider signing up for my newsletter. I've got a lot of great content that's going to help you become a much better golfer over there at that website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you down the road.